Hi friends, today I am with a new video, and in this video we are going to talk about the multiple ways to use the chat GPT. As you guys have heard or seen about the chat GPT, we are going to discuss how to use it. Now talking about this, we will go first with the basic. Just go and search chat GPT in Google. You will get this. Now log into your account. If you don't have an account, do sign up. Once you've done that, you can go inside it, ask a message, it will answer you. There are some examples already given and some compatibilities and the limitation. Everything is explained here. The best part is that you ask the question and it will start answering. So I asked the question about, tell me about the Bitcoin. It gave me an answer. If I'm not satisfied and I can stop generating, I want a new response, I can go and hit that. You can see that 2 by 2, this is the second generation. If I want to stop, each and every time whenever you start generating a new one, it will give you a new answer. So it will not be the repetitive answer. So that is a great thing, and you can get the answers very quickly. You can ask many things. You can ask the current Bollywood songs, make a playlist of that. You want any question, you have anything in your mind, if you're not sure, you can ask many things in this. You have an upgrade version also, where you need to pay around USD $20 per month. The free version also works perfectly fine, though it has a little bit of limitations. Now if you want a new chat, you can go and press that. You can have few things. You can have a light mode. I am using the dark mode. In Windows 11, you get a small search bar in the bottom. There is an icon. Just tap on it and you go directly to the Bing search. This is a AI integrated Bing search which has overlay of Bing plus ChatGPT. So you can ask any question here. You can get the answers. But first thing is that you have to log in with your account to access it. So I will definitely recommend you guys to get an access of that. Currently you can see I have just wrote review of Canon 90D and it will give me some answer. So it is the similar thing what we have seen in the ChatGPT main screen, the main window, and in this you can have the same similar kind of option. Why you should opt for this? It is much more easier to get the access. It is one click access from the search button. You don't have to open any website. First thing. Second thing, you don't have to log in multiple times. Third easiest way is that the interface is pretty much cleaner than what you see in the ChatGPT. So there are few things advantage of using this. It is up to you that how you like it, what you want. Even you can search for an image also. The image search can be easily found here. So this is why I will definitely recommend you to check that Windows 11 search bar, which is a Bing search integrated. Even if you see on the right side top, there is also Bing button. That will also take you directly to the ChatGPT and you can use the ChatGPT in the Microsoft Bing. If you want to go to the browser directly to the Microsoft Edge, or you can open to the browser Microsoft Bing. In that also, if you ask anything, then you get an option where it is written chat. In this chat, you go directly and it will act as the ChatGPT's interface, which will give you the similar answers. Now the question arises, how can you access in your Safari browser or on your MacBook? It is very easy. Go to the Bing, search for a Bing, and in the browser you will get the answers. But you will not get a specific Bing button which is present. For that you have to install the app, Bing app, which is available also, and you can also go and try and search through the browser which is a Microsoft Bing. It will be the easiest way, but there are multiple ways to access the chat GPT, and how it works I am just showing that only. Currently we are back into the same interface what we have went through by the search bar. So it is not much difficult. It is available everywhere and you don't have to pay for anything. It is completely free. And those who are more into the content writing, they have an advantage to check it out few of the articles, and I will definitely recommend you to check this out. This is the best feature you can get. You don't have to write any article, you just have to go and put few things and get some of the inside stories. But you can't do something like the gambling or any future prediction. That is completely restricted in this. So please keep that in mind. This is a small humble request to all of you guys. But rest of this, you can see there is a welcome to the new Bing, which is a chat GPT integrated, and I will definitely recommend you guys to check this out. So now this is all about the Windows browser thing, Windows or maybe the Mac OS. Next big thing is the GPT-4. Here you can see what are the differences. You can go inside it, you can check the capabilities, why it is better, why you can go and have a look, how the developers are, what are the products you are getting with it. The complete information is given. Even you can see the differences between GPT-4, GPT 3.5, the search values, everything is being explained here. So I will definitely recommend you guys to go and open the website. You can already pre-register for it. Currently it is not available, but if you want a paid subscription you can get some of the access of it. So I will definitely recommend you guys to check this out, and it is next level. It can do many more things what ChatGPT hasn't done. I will definitely recommend you guys to go and join the API waitlist. Once it is done, you are good to go. Now coming to the mobile version, how you can use it, I will drop few of the links below. This is how you can go and use the ChatGPT in your WhatsApp. This is Arena, and the link will be number 1, where you can go and click it, and you will be redirected to this in your WhatsApp, and you can go and ask question. You can see that there are few limitations. Now the second is Buddy GPT. It is available both for WhatsApp and Telegram. You can go and ask question and it will reply. So just be patient. It will give you some of the options which language to prefer. I did that. Once it is done, it will start answering to you. So it is also a chat GPT, but with a third party, which is Buddy GPT, and you can ask any question from it and it will start answering to you. Just be patient and see how it works. I will show you few more options also. So going to the next. This is the user Roger, and this you can use directly on the Telegram. So it is not available for WhatsApp. Just click on it, it will redirect to you on Telegram, and you can use it on the Telegram. So here you can see the Telegram starts, the AI bot start. It will ask you something, then you can start questioning in it and it will start your answer. So it is very easy. It will take some time, but you will get habitual with it. But it is a bot here. All the WhatsApp and Telegram links are basically bot to users. Now the next is the Viz AI. So this is also will take you to another WhatsApp contact. The contact numbers is completely visible, so you guys can go and directly use to the contact number also, or you can go in the description section and check them out. So this is how you can get the answers, which is completely relevant what I am seeing. It is exactly like that. Then the next is the Ask Genie. This is also the similar thing, but it is paid actually, so you have to do a payment for it. So I will definitely not recommend. If you are not willing to pay, it is completely fine. The next one is the Smooge. So in Smooge also the link is given below. Just type and ask the question. It will give you some of the options where you need to check it. The professional, which is a personal assistant of Google. Personal also, there is grateful message, advice, art, image, what you are asking. It can answer you similar kind of thing, as it is based on the AI power from the WhatsApp bot. So it is also a bot, so don't worry, your answers will not be traced anywhere. It is a complete bot system. So this is about the Smooge, and the answers what I am getting, I am personally very happy. The next is the Mobile GPT. It also will show you the mobile assistant. This is the number where you will be redirected. Again, in the description link below, you will get the link for that. You can redirect it here, and the answers are pretty much accurate, and I am definitely satisfied. The next is What GPT. In this, you can also ask the questions. The answer will come. The link will be in the description section, or you can directly go to the contact and add through a number. Now coming to the Swift key, which is a keyboard which is available both for Android and iOS. You get a Bing search bar. Just tap on it. It will ask you to go register with your email ID. Just tap on that, and there is an option called chat. This will redirect you to the page where it will show you how the new AI which comes into power into the Bing. Here you can see the welcome to the new Bing, and you can ask the question. You can ask from the AI chat box, which is very easy, and it is also useful, and the answers are pretty much similar what we have seen in the browser. So this is basically directly integrated through your keyboard, and it will start generating the answers what you asked for it. And I pretty much liked it definitely, because the fast response and easy to access of the chat GPT. ChatGPT can be used in the iPhone by two ways: by installing the Swift key, which has a Bing button, and also installing the Bing app. Here you can see in the Bing app you also get the ChatGPT interface where you can go and ask question, what are the limitation, everything I have explained you. So this is all what you are getting, the different and the multiple ways how you can use the ChatGPT. There are some shortcuts which are available for the iPhone. I have used them, it worked very much good, but after the update somehow it was not working. So I'm not putting any shortcut links below, but there are some shortcut links also which works for the shortcut, and it can use the chat GPT. It is also good enough, so if you want to try that, please check that out also. This is all about the multiple ways to use the chat GPT in Windows, iOS, Android smartphone, everywhere. So this is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.